Select the correct option that correctly identify the different genera A, B, C and D of kingdom fungi shown in figure. Option A, Mucor, Saccharomyces, Morchilla, Amanita. Option B, Mucor, Saccharomyces, Penicillium, Agaricus. Option C, Rhizopus, Saccharomyces, Aspergillus, Morchilla. Option D, Aspergillus, Rhizopus, Penicillium, Agaricus. The correct answer is option B, which is A, which is Mucor, B, Saccharomyces, C, Penicillium, Agaricus. Which of the following statement regarding the class Phycomycetes is correct? Option A. These are found in aquatic habitat and on decaying wood in moist and damp place or as obligate parasite on plant. Option B. Mycelium is this fungi is aseptate and coenocytic. Option C. Asexual reproduction occur by motile zoospore and by non-motile aplanospore. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Fungi show asexual reproduction by all of the following kind of spore except option A. Conidia. Option B. Oospore. Option C. Sporangiospore. Option D. Zoospore. The correct answer is option B, which is oospore. Sexual reproduction in fungi occurs by all of the following except option A. Oospore. Option B. Ascospore. Option C. Zoospore. Option D. Basidiospore. The correct answer is option C, which is zoospore. Dikaryophase is a specific characteristics of option A. All fungi. Option B. Phycomycetes and Ascomycetes. Option C. Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Option D. Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. The correct answer is option D, which is Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Which of the following classes of fungi are characterized by the presence of coenocytic, multinucleated and branched mycelium? The options are option A. Basidiomycetes, option B. Phycomycetes, option C. Ascomycetes, option D. Deuteromycetes. The correct answer is option B, which is Phycomycetes. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the code given below. Column I. Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes. Column 2I. Sac fungi, algal fungi, fungi imperfect, clove fungi. The correct answer is option A, which is Phycomycete is algal fungi, Ascomycete is sac fungi, Basidiomycete is clove fungi and Deuteromycete is a fungi imperfect. Eukaryotic, achlorophyllous and heterotrophic organisms are grouped under which of the following kingdom? Option A. Monera. Option B. Protista. Option C. Fungi. Option C. Plantae. The correct answer is option C, which is fungi. Given is the representation of life cycle of members of class Ascomycete and Basidiomycetes. Select the correct option for process A, B and C. Option A. Karyogamy, plasmogamy, meiosis. Option B. Plasmogamy, karyogamy, meiosis. Option C. Plasmogamy, meiosis, karyogamy. Option D. Karyogamy, meiosis, plasmogamy. The correct answer is option B, which is first plasmogamy, then karyogamy, then meiosis. Coenocytic mycelium is option A. Uninucleated septate. Option B. Multinucleated septate. Option C. Multinucleated aseptate. Option D. Both B and C. The correct answer is option C, which is multinucleated and aseptate. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding the class Ascomycetes. Option A. Conidia are the asexual spore produced endogenously on conidiophore. Option B. Ascospore are the sexual spore produced endogenously in Asci. Option C. Aspergillus neurospora and claviceps are ascomycete fungi. Option D. Mycelium is generally branched and septed in ascomycete. The correct answer is option A, which is conidia are the asexual spore produced endogenously on conidiophore. This statement is incorrect regarding the class Ascomycetes. Fungi lacking cross wall in the mycelium belong to class. Options are option A. Phycomycetes, option B. Ascomycetes, option C. Basidiomycetes, option D. Deuteromycetes. The correct answer is option A. Phycomycetes. Which one is an incorrectly matched pair? Option A. Phycomycetes, Mucor albugo. Option B. Ascomycetes, Penicillium agaricus. Option C. Basidiomycetes, Puccinia agaricus. Option D. Deuteromycetes, Ostilago colletotrichum. The correct answer is option D, which is Deuteromycetes, Ostilago colletotrichum, which is incorrectly matched pair. Because colletotrichum is the example of the Deuteromycete, but the Ostilago is the example of Basidiomycetes. Which of the following statement is correct regarding sexual reproduction in Basidiomycetes? Options are option A. Plasmogamy occur by the fusion of two somatic cells of different strain. Option B. Karyogamy and meiosis occur in Basidium producing 4 basidiospore. Option C. Basidiospore are exogenously produced on the Basidium. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. The term used for the closed ascoscarp is option A. Apothecium. Option B. Amphithecium. Option C. Endothecium. Option D. Cleistothecium. The correct answer is option D, which is Cleistothecium. Fungi producing 8 spore in a sac belong to the class. Options are option A. Phycomycetes. Option B. Ascomycetes. Option C. Basidiomycetes. Option D. Deuteromycetes. The correct answer is option B, which is Ascomycetes. In Penicillium, the asexual reproduction takes place by options are option A. Ascospore. Option B. Aplanospore. Option C. Sporangiospore. Option D. Conidiospore. The correct answer is option D, which is Conidiospore. The Wounder drug penicillin is extracted from which of the following species of Penicillium? Options are option A. Penicillium notatum. Option B. Penicillium chrysogenum. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option C, which is both A and B. Penicillium notatum and Penicillium chrysogenum. Select the incorrect match. Option A. Morel and Trophil's Phycomycete. Option B. Puffball and Toadstool Basidiomycete. Option C. Early blight of potato Alternaria solani. Option D. Late blight of potato Phytophthora infestans. The correct answer is option A, which is Morel and Trophil Phycomycete. Which of the following fungi is a parasite on mustard plant and cause the disease white rust of crucifers? Option A. Albugo candida. Option B. Puccinia graminis tritici. Option C. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Option D. Ostilago hodei. The correct answer is option A, which is Albugo candida. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the class Deuteromycetes? Option A. They produce only by asexual spore, conidia. Option B. Mycelium in these fungi is branched and septate. Option C. They have only parasitic form. Option D. The example of these fungi are Alternaria, Colletotrichum and Trichoderma. The correct answer is option C, which is they have only parasitic form. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I. Edible delicacies, experimental genetics, source of antibiotics, roast and smoke disease. Column 2I. Penicillium, Streptomyces, Neurospora crassa, Puccinia, Ostilago, Morels and Truffles. The correct answer is option C. Edible delicacies match with morels and truffles. Experimental genetics match with Neurospora crassa. Source of antibiotics match with Penicillium and Streptomyces. Roast and smoke disease is matched with Puccinia and Ostilago. The main component of the cell wall of fungi is option A. Cellulose, option B. Pectin, option C. Chitin, option D. Dextrin. The correct answer is option C, which is chitin.